Picture yourself in the 2020 Nissan Murano. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Relax and make the most of everyday errands or adventurous road trips in this smooth-riding Murano. Tech-savvy and upscale, this roomy midsize crossover has the features you need to feel confident on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Feel refreshed and renewed when you're behind the wheel of this luxurious Murano. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.